not a fucking personal problem when it's my fucking mask, dipshit.
Dude, look, your light's not staying on.
I'm probably out of batteries for it. I don't know.
No, it's not, dude. Turn it on.
Whatever, just give me my fucking mask, bro. See Paige, look. Lift your fucking mask up. Lift your fucking mask up. Whatever. Do this shit. You see Paige, that's Joey right there.
You can always see half of my face.
Paige, that is Joey.
I'm gonna start this shit and fucking flash.
Just in case you don't know what he looks like.
Fuck off, dude.
I understand how Joey likes to lie about his looks. I think he's sexy, though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm fucking joking, bro. Alright, what are you welding, man?
I'm welding the skate. That's what I'm doing.
You're welding it down or you're welding it up?
No, I'm welding it up. I'm welding it up. You gonna stay like that?
I don't know, Will. Fuck, my gloves are burned.
What?
I have a little trouble here.
You always have trouble.
Your fucking face.
Mama's face.
Why would you bring that disgusting thing into this conversation?
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Watch your arms, girl. Look at that out. You ain't know how to back, girl. Bring it.
I think I'm milking it, dude. You think I'm milking it?
Yeah, stop.
That's crazy.
Yeah, dude, that's fucking milking that shit. Dude, you're melting right through it.
I know, I see that. Damn.
What you fucking gonna do it, bro? This shit's fucked up.
Yeah, that's what I
You
said.
were not washing your arms. Look, motherfucker, you bang that in my ear again, I'll punch you in the nuts. And stopping recording. Ah, fuck it. It won't stop. That's Joey.
Fuck it out of my face, dude.
What the fuck is he out of my face?